Yeah, YouTube. I'm supposed to be working on this car. They supposed to be here at 10 o'clock. And here it is, about to be 11. Text them, just like you make your hair appointments and they charge you if you late. Mechanics do too. So they're going to drop the car off because I got to make a run and I get back to it. So stay tuned, man. Stay tuned. YouTube, I got an alert. Dropping the car off right now. As we speak. Alright, YouTube, about to knock this brake job out. Jeep Compass. Break a bar. I don't even know if this is the right size. But this ain't gonna take long. I'll cut y'all on and show y'all how I do it. Alright, YouTube. It'll take me longer to get the tire up than to do brakes. But this is how I do it. People say it mess up the rotor, and I highly doubt it. But show y'all if I can do it real quick, one-handed. Well, I know I can't, but hold on. Alright, YouTube, I get flat head. I hit that brake pad and I push back. Don't hit the rotor. The old brake pad, you can make a groove in it because you change them anyway. Then loosen this up. Take this other one out real quick. It take me long to do front brakes, man. Yeah, I just lift that up. I don't even take the whole thing out. See the piston is pushed back. Get the pads up. And when I say hit into the pad, that's up. Hit into the pad. Yeah. Like I said, it took me longer to jack the car up than to do brakes. So let me slide these on real quick. It's cold as hell out here, but I'm on it.